If your garbage disposer is not grinding, here are the two most probable causes. When operating normally, the garbage disposer motor rotates a grinding or shredder plate to break down the food particles. Certain fibrous materials, such as potato peels and corn husks, can cause the grinding plate to jam. You can manually turn the motor and grinding plate to clear any obstruction. To do this, insert an Allen wrench into the opening on the bottom of the housing and rotate it back and forth. If your model doesn't have an opening on the bottom, a wooden broom handle can be inserted through the drain opening to turn the plate. If you were able to free the grinding plate, but the plate still doesn't turn when the motor is on, it's likely that the motor bearings have worn out. Since the bearings cannot be repaired, you will need to replace the disposer with a new one. You can find many garbage disposer parts and accessories on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your appliance to find the specific part that will fit or fix your garbage disposer.